Cooking with friends can be a great way to have fun, learn new recipes and skills, and create lasting memories. When you're cooking with someone else, you can bounce ideas off of each other and come up with recipes that are truly unique. Plus, it's a lot of fun to cook together. Dogs are amazing companions who bring a lot of joy into our lives. They are always happy to see us, and they provide us with unconditional love and support. Owning a dog is a great way to get exercise, and dogs can also help us meet new people. Dogs are always eager to learn new tricks, and they make us laugh with their silly antics. Most importantly, dogs remind us to live in the moment and enjoy the simple things in life. Owning a dog is an incredibly rewarding experience, and I am so grateful for my furry friend. Lilies are one of the most beloved flowers around the world. They are often seen as a symbol of purity and innocence, and their delicate beauty is inspiration for many. Lilies can be found in a variety of colors, from white to pink to yellow, and their sweet fragrance is enchanting. They add a touch of elegance to any setting and are perfect for weddings, parties, or simply enjoying in your garden. If you're looking for a way to add a touch of magic to your day, look no further than the lovely lily.